back to my channel. So today we'll be talking about how much I've made on YouTube since starting YouTube while I munch on this Udara abalumo. I've already started off eating a few of them. As you know, abalumo is irresistible. As we close the year, I wish you all of God's love. I wish you success. I wish you good health in 2021. I wish you everything good, and I pray that God comes true for you, that whatever you seek or you need in His name, that He will grant to you according to His riches and glory. Thank you for having such an amazing year with me, and I hope that we have a better time in 2021. The wrongest thing you can do for yourself is to ask an Udara seller if her Udara is one no. She will tell you obviously yes. I did a poll on YouTube and I asked you to tell me what video you like to see as the last video of the year. A lot of you wanted to see how much I made on YouTube in 2020. Now I would say that I have only been monetized for 3 months here on YouTube, and I only started making money in September, right? And I started YouTube 10 months ago. That was in February. I posted my first video in February, and I'll put the link here for my very first video. The very first thing I'm going to say in this video is the fact that I wouldn't have come this far without all your love and support. I mean, starting off YouTube, there was never a time I thought that I will get to 3,500 subscribers in less than a year and also get monetized. I mean, I hoped to do that, but I had seen a lot of YouTubers complain that it wasn't easy, especially those in Nigeria here. It wasn't easy being a YouTuber and all that. So, starting off YouTube, I just wanted to help ladies with their skincare, and also, I mean, doing Owerri vlogs was never in my plan because, like I said in my previous video, I wasn't even happy that I was based in Owerri, to be honest. I don't think it's going to be possible to link this and also do this video, so I'm just going to go right into the thing. I mean, I have people watching my channels mostly from UK, from US, from France, from Spain, from Dubai, from Italy. Like, a lot of you watch my channels, you help me, you most of you even tell me like, oh, I think this was great but you could do it this way. That's all criticism but constructive, because you have my interest at heart. I have a lot of people from Poland, like I have a lot of people who just genuinely want to see me grow, and that alone is enough motivation for me. Like, starting off YouTube, I was not scared. Anyway, I've never been camera shy, so starting off YouTube, I just needed to be sure that people wanted to see my content. I mean, it's one thing to film a video, it's something else when people view it. It's actually discouraging when you film content and people do not watch it. So starting off YouTube, I was happy that a lot of people were receiving my content well. A lot of my subscribers stem from those who probably were born here and then they've gone abroad and they miss home. A lot of you are probably those who lived here before and had gone abroad, or for one reason or the other are not able to come back home as much as you want. So you guys miss home and then you guys wanted to just see what it looks like. I remember filming about IMSU one day and someone sent me a message that it actually made him tear up. That alone was enough motivation for me to do more. I'm very, very grateful. Then, YouTube, what you should understand, for those who intend to start off YouTube in 2021, that YouTube is not a bed of roses. People will watch what they want to watch, regardless of how nice the quality of your video is. That's one thing I've come to realize. I've seen people who use one of the best cameras in the world and they don't get the views that they deserve. Anyway, what has helped me, or what has worked for me, is the fact that when I started off YouTube, I was like, okay, since I regularly post on my WhatsApp stories and people see it, that's the mindset I'm going to use here. So I didn't see YouTube as a do or die affair starting off, because if I did, trust me, I wouldn't even last the month if I don't see the motivation that I need, right? So I started off as that. So when I get low views and everything, I'm like, it's one of those things. So YouTube is not a do or die affair. You just have to start and you have to be consistent. Do not start because everyone started a channel in 2020 or 2021. No. So do not start because everyone started a channel in 2021. No, it wouldn't work that way. But start off YouTube just because you want to be on YouTube. You have something, you have a talent, or you have something to share with the world. Okay, I think that's it. So now to the next phase is I do genuinely want to thank all my subscribers, all 3,512 and 21 of you. I'm genuinely grateful for watching my videos, for subscribing, for liking, and most importantly for viewing the ads, because the ads are the reason why we make money on YouTube. Without the ads, there will be no money. So you're indirectly giving me money by watching those ads. Yes, your views on those ads translate to money for me. So indirectly, Ibaram Christmas, you like Ibaram Christmas, like you made my year genuinely. So I'm very, very grateful for all of you, and I pray that whatsoever your hands trying to do come next year, that God will perfect all that concerns you. You will not lack anything good, and God will not withhold anything good from you. I pray that you have a prosperous new year and we keep on this journey, right? I feel like sending one of these to all of you. So if there's something else I want you to understand, is the fact that with YouTube, you never can tell what will go. Like, you never can tell what subscribers are willing to spend their time and their energy to watch. So everything you feel it's of value, please put out, be consistent. I think the algorithm actually rewards those who post consistently, as opposed to what people might think. I think it worked for me, because on my channel I have over 100 videos, and I can say for a fact that that has actually helped. Like, imagine having $1 per video, like $1 per video. So that means I already have $100 on its own, like without having to do anything. Do you understand? So posting or putting out content. YouTube. So putting out content regularly actually rewards you, because like I said, I have over 100 videos on my YouTube channel. So take for instance that each video gives me $1, so that means I have $100 I have $100 sitting in my account right now. So you never can tell what would work. At the point when I got monetized, a lot of videos that had like very little views, I was not like ashamed of it, but I was like, let me not put out this content. But I realized that no, it didn't make sense. Most of the videos pick up later. Like my highest page or my highest paying video, I don't know, guess in the comment section which video you feel is my highest paid video, and I'll leave the answer in my community, because I want my community to be more active in 2021. So I'll leave the answer in the community post in 2021. So do your guess which video you feel is my highest paying video here on YouTube for 2021. So yeah, so a lot of videos pick up later on in their lifetime. I remember that my highest paying video currently now didn't do well in the first week or in the first month. Yeah, it didn't do well in the first week or month. I was even like angry that I put out such content. Not angry, but I was like, oh, I felt this video would do better. But in the second month, boom, it just hits, and then it's making a couple of dollars daily, a couple of dollars per month, and all that. So you never can tell with YouTube what will work. So you just have to keep putting out content, believing in yourself, and like I said, it's still quality over quantity for me. So I think this video is getting so long, but I hope this inspires someone. So please keep putting out content. If you want to start out your YouTube channel, do not delay any further. I know a couple of people who reached out to me in 2020 that they wanted to start their YouTube channels, and that was earlier in the year. Until now, they haven't started for one reason or the other. I currently still have still film on my phone. I started off without a ring light. I just had good lighting in the pilot, thanks to God, and just start off with whatever you have, subsequently to adjust. But a camera in 2021, it's just that I have been very indecisive, but I feel like currently now I have made a choice to go with the Canon M50. Is a mirrorless camera. I met with a good photographer, Danny Perfections. I've worked with him a couple of times here in Owerri, and he was like, mirrorless cameras are the way to go in 2021. So I feel, and I've seen a lot of reviews about the mirrorless camera, the M50 to be honest, and I feel that I would go with that. So come next year in January, I would order from Amazon, because I want to get like the creators kit, and that goes for like close to $700, right? I'm gonna do that, and I'm just gonna work on putting out great content in 2021, improving my video quality, and just putting out good content for you guys. So in all, since being monetized for 3 months on YouTube, I have made a total of over 200K, and I'm genuinely grateful. Part of the reason why some people might think it's slow is the fact that I am based in Nigeria. So the CPM is not as high as it would be abroad. So say if I was in Mauritius or US or Canada, I might be making like ×2 of what I'm currently making now. But regardless, it wouldn't have been possible if it wasn't for your love, your support, your views, not skipping the ads. 2021, we're coming strong, we're doing better, having more content, communicating in the community tab. Having such an amazing year with me, and I hope that we have a better time in 2021. And goodbye from me to you. I hope to see you in 2021. Love you.